Today we are making the creamiest no-bake vanilla cheesecake that you can either make with or without gelatin. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with the base of the cheesecake. So I am using graham crackers and I have just crushed some up in a bowl, and I'm gonna pop these into a little food processor. So now I have some melted unsalted butter, and I am just gonna pour this directly in. And oh my god, you can smell it. It smells so good. We're just gonna pour this into a 9-inch springform pan. So now we're gonna pop this into the fridge while we make the filling. Okay, so for the filling, obviously we are starting with cream cheese. I'm gonna beat it until it's light and fluffy. And now we're gonna add a bucket load of cream. So now to make this cheesecake extra vanilla, we're going to go to the next level, and we are going to use we're gonna use vanilla bean instead of vanilla extract. And then we're just gonna tap it, kind of, into the bowl. We are also going to add the sugar, which you can also add at the beginning when you add the cream cheese, but I forgot. So we're just gonna add now. I mean, like, it's fine, right? Because it's all just gonna be in the same bowl anyway. You can see all those little black flecks. So those are the vanilla bean seeds. We're going to add some fresh lemon juice. So this is the lemon juice from 2 lemons. And lemon will help to set the cheesecake, but it will also kind of like give it a nice refreshing flavor, which is good. What we're going to do next is take a little bowl of water, and then we're going to take some gelatin and just pour it on top. We are going to let it develop for about 5 minutes and then pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds for it to melt. Now let's add the gelatin to the cheesecake and mix it in. Look at how creamy. And then take your cheesecake pan with the base and pour the mixture into the pan and smooth the surface. And then we're gonna pop that into the fridge overnight until it is fully set. And now you're going to take a sharp knife and insert it onto the inside of the cheesecake. And when you angle it, you wanna slightly turn the knife in outwards so that it's scraping against the pan, and then glide it around. And this is gonna make sure that you are keeping it as close to the edge of the pan as possible, and like you're not accidentally cutting the cake. And now all we need to do is flip this little latch. There you go. Okay, it's time to try it. Although I know it's gonna be so good. So creamy and smooth, and you can really taste that vanilla. It's so good, and the base is the perfect thickness. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Anyways, I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.